People were being arrested for traffic violations, and it's all thanks to the police's so-called eyes on the roads. We're talking about traffic videos submitted by witnesses who have vehicle cameras installed. In fact, the police tell us that ever since they began welcoming videos online in 2014, the number they've received has grown by about 40% every year. Leong Wai Kit with the story.
What you're about to see might make you uncomfortable. Here it comes. This video was posted on Facebook on Thursday, just days after a 4-year-old girl died after she was hit by a car in Bukit Batu. Such footage is also being sent directly to the police by the public. One example is this video submitted in March, which led to the arrest of the driver.
Videographic evidence is becoming more and more prevalent. Everybody carries a handphone. Video evidence is regarded as real evidence.
Police say they introduced a platform in 2014 to let the public submit dashcam videos. And since then, the number of videos has gone up by 40% every year. It typically takes about 15 minutes to submit a video online to the traffic police, and to do that, I need to log in with my SingPass password and my username. I'll also need to provide details such as a valid email address as well as my contact number. Now, the website also explicitly tells me that by submitting videos online, I have to agree to testify in court. But what if I choose to post the video online instead of giving it to the police?
I think the police have wide powers to call up for any evidence that becomes available, whether on social media or given to them directly. Because they also want to identify who is the person who shot this video. Because, you know, with modern technology, you can superimpose images, you can cite background that's different from the real background.
While dashcam footage is useful in helping investigations, police say it may not always give the full picture. So to solve the case, they'll need to talk to eyewitnesses, examine blind spots, or study the extent of any damage involved.